In this video, I'll show you how to find your Navy Federal routing number quickly and easily. First, let's start with the mobile app. Open the Navy Federal app and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, tap the account you want, whether it's checking or savings. Then, go to Account Details. You'll see your routing number listed there, usually next to your account number. Now, if you don't have access to the app, here are other ways to find it. You can look at your checks. The routing number is the first 9 digits at the bottom left. You can also log into Navy Federal's website and check your account details there. Some bank statements listed in the header, so that's another option. If you prefer speaking to someone, you can call Member Services and they'll confirm it after verifying your identity. Or you can visit a branch and ask a representative in person. For wire transfers, domestic wires usually use 2-560-74974, and international wires require a SWIFT or BICE code. Before you use your routing number, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Always verify the number before sending payments or setting up direct deposit. Know the difference between routing and account numbers. The routing number identifies the bank, while the account number identifies you. Make sure you're using the right number for the right transaction type, whether it's ACH, checks, or wires. And finally, protect your information. Only share your routing and account numbers on secure, trusted forms. That's everything you need to know to find and use your Navy Federal routing number. Thanks for watching.